Welcome back to the channel. I am your mechanic today, and this is what we're working on again. We're on number 13 of the Baja build, and today we are going to pull the swing axle out, and we're going to take the hubs off of it, the brakes, all that off. We're going to take this whole swing axle with the transmission and set it right up there, and you can come along as we do it. Let's get this rear done so that we can get it powder coated and get all the new places back on there. So let's get started. And first thing we're going to do is cut all these brake lines and get rid of them. So we'll just cut them off. Slide that out. We'll take that off later. Same thing over here. Even the rubber lines, we're just going to replace all this anyway, so that one off. All right. Let's see. Let's undo the transmission right here. The mounts for it, which is a 13 millimeter. We're just going to take these two out and these two out, and then we'll disconnect it up there, and then we'll disconnect it underneath. So let's get these out of here.
No espinal.
No what?
No espinal.
No. Drop the washer. Perfectly fine. Yeah. Get loose there. Get loose. There you go. Come on. That one says it don't want to be loose. Probably moving it now. It's trying to move. Oops. Butterfingers. Well, these come out easy.
I don't see no butterfinger in here.
Butterfingers. Now let's just take the inside ones out. Then I'll take those off. Maybe they'll be easier. Look at that, look at that. Just like magic. And I am wearing my monkey suit today, so I don't get my clothes filthy. I did not feel like going in and changing into some old clothes, so I'm just gonna sweat and double clothes today. Yay. And we're going to upload some pictures later on in a small video. We went to Jekyll Island this past week and spent a week there. So we'll share that with you, our trip down there. And we got back Saturday night. So it's time to get back on this thing and get this thing done.
Except the only one that didn't go was the cameraman.
Yeah, the cameraman didn't go, but we took pictures. We had a spare camera woman. We took the camera woman with us, not the cameraman. And she took some good pictures and some good videos. You'll get to see my ultimate light show dance on the pier. Very exciting. Not really, but you don't have to watch it. All right, so we got all that off. I'm gonna lay those down there. All right, let's disconnect. Let's loosen up this bolt right here is what we're gonna loosen up, because that's going to take us, I don't know why these are laying here, but we're not going to use them.
It looked like someone had it off stage to take it out.
Yeah, but he didn't have all the right moves. Oh, he's off a little. We need to go down one size. Down one size. What you should say, go down one size. And loosen it up.
If he has enough muscle.
And that thing is in there tight.
I don't think he has enough.
Right, let's go.
Oh, we got more bolts to take out.
My goodness. That does not want to come out. There she goes. She does now. And then we're just gonna slide that thing right forward. Shifter knob is out up there, so. Yeah, we'll get it out there as soon as we pull it all off. Let's take these shocks off next and get rid of them.
Take these bolts out?
Then I gotta climb underneath there. Yeah, let me get these shocks off real quick.
Now
and
see this one right here is gonna be easy because the cameraman loosened it up for me.
We got a 17 and a 19. Yeah, he did loosen it up, didn't he? Yeah, he did. That went off. We'll put this back in for now. And I did put some penetrating oil on these just to be sure. Let's get the top on the other side out. Simple. Wow. I don't think my hand's working today. It just wants to let it go, let it go. Oh, let it snow. Come on now.
What are you on, Frozen?
I'm on Frozen. I'm glad I ain't got to watch that movie no more. My kids are grown. I think they watched that thing 1 billion times. I got sick of it.
That's your favorite show.
I got sick of Frozen. I don't even remember the movie now.
How's it go?
I don't know. Let it snow or let it go or
Let it hold. Oh wait.
hold it down. Wow. Well, you know they're all the same size. All right, so let's get this. Once we get these shocks off, we'll take that lower motor mount off, and then we're going to get these spindles off so we can get the emergency brake cables disconnected. You got one of these shocks on each side.
And just cut the emergency brake cables off too?
I don't want to do that. I might need the emergency. Might have an emergency. You never know. I'm pretty sure these shocks are shot anyway. I mean, I don't know, are they?
I don't know, we'll just take and throw it out there and see if it bounces back.
Going to the scrap yard or so. Yeah, pretty say it's dead. Trash that. We got brand new chromes for it anyway. All right, let's get the bottom one off of her. Did the cameraman loosen this one up for me?
Nah.
No. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. At least it's not the original shocks. All right. Okay. I'd say that one's dead too. But I'm gonna get new bolts, but just so I know what size to get, I'm gonna keep all the old ones or I know where they go. All right, go on there. Nope, that ain't you going on there. There we go. All right. Now let's get the ones underneath. I may need you to hand me some tools, but I'm gonna lay down there.
What is this, the tool man and the cameraman?
Yeah, I need to be a tool and a cameraman. Not sure what size that is, but I think it's gonna be a 15.
15?
A 15, sir.
Check that out anyway.
Unless I'm wrong. And I have been known to be wrong.
Yeah, you ain't get no sockets. You only get wrenches today. You get wrenches because you didn't take the cameraman to the beat. So
that's right. Make it 17. That's 17 on your transmission mount. Ugh. The dirt in my mouth. One. There's two of these. Two of these. Yeah. Gonna take a second.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That is it. It's gonna take a little bit to get out.
Flip that wrench.
If I had a socket.
Why don't you flip that wrench around?
What?
Sorry about that camera. This big head got in the way.
My big head. Oh, there's so much junk on the back of that. How about that? Really good. Huh? My big head.
You ain't gonna own a nut there.
All right, we're gonna pause for a minute. There's 2 bolts here. It's gonna take forever to get them out. Once we get them out, we'll come right back. What did I do with my other wrench? Was this it? It's a right thing. Crap. I only got 119. But that's okay. We have an all-American wrench all here. So what we're going to do is take these 3 out, which are 19 millimeter bolts. That's going to get us loose from our torsion arm here. If I turn it the right way. But yeah, a little more about our trip while I'm doing this. We went to Jekyll Island, Georgia, and we did some fishing. We rode the whole island on golf carts, which was pretty fun. And family was down, so we had a good time. I'm sure everybody had a good time. They all couldn't make it, but most of them did.
What trip was that one? Jekyll Island?
But we were there last week, and it's a pretty place to go if you ever want to go on vacation anywhere. That's the place. You can rent a house on the island for a week, and I think the house was, I can't even remember now, like $1,800 for the week, but that comes with everything. So, and there's different ones, different sizes that you can do, but it's a really good trip. It's not crowded. Beaches are great. I think we picked up a lot of sand dollars while we were there, and we caught some fish. And we just had a good old time. But you'll see some video of that soon. All right, so that's number 2 is out. Number whatever is out. I might have to look up, see if they sell a bulk kit. All right, so we're gonna take these 3 out on this side. Sorry, we had a little camera issue. Our storage got full. Don't know how, with all the storage we got. But we figured it out, so.
Well, 2 phones, 2 different cameras.
Yeah. We will get the shot though, so. So what we're gonna do is take out these 3, and this right here will come loose from this. This will come off, and so will our shock hanger. So all this will come off at one time. And we'll just put it all over there where it goes. So we got a lot of powder coating to drop off at the end of this week. So we'll get all this stuff powder coated and get the rest of it cleaned up. And get some parts ordered. That's one off. Get off of there. All right, folks, I'm going as fast as I can, like the gingerbread man. Y'all want to hear a not funny joke? What do you call a fly with no wings? A walker. Told you it wasn't funny. Somebody out there is going to think it's funny. I didn't think it was funny either. But then the guy come up and told us 3 times the same joke that he'd already told us.
Who was that, the neighbor?
Some guy on a pier sleeping under a bridge. Not that there's anything wrong with sleeping under a bridge, as long as it's next to the ocean. But he had some jokes. He had some jokes. Alright, so, well, thought it was loose. Alright, so, let's get this last turn. So this should take off this here. Put this right here back on. There, it's also going to take off your bump stock. And then this right here will be completely loose. And all we got to do is pull that thing out and set it on that table.
Which is going to be off camera.
Yeah, it'll have to be off camera because of the fact that we need 4 hands and not 3. Those right there. So off camera, all we're going to do now is just pick this thing up, slide it back. It'll come right out. We already disconnected this. This is loose. It'll come out, then we'll come back and show you it sitting on the table. And then we're going to take the rest of this thing apart. Alright, so we got the transmission, the swing axle out. Got it over here. We sprayed some alloy wheel cleaner, some mild acid on it to clean all the stuff off of it. So we're going to get all that done. Everything's off at powder coating. So that's done. We got the rear all painted with 1 coat. We're going to come back with another coat. It's still wet. But that is it. When all the parts get back in here, we'll put you back on here and we'll put it back together and we'll see what it looks like. And thank you for watching and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.